This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable camera access in the LibreWolf web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the LibreWolf web browser opened up now. To enable or disable camera access, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Permission section, and then the Permission section right here, Camera. You want to click on Settings off to the right side of Camera. Then in this little dialog box that opens up, down towards the bottom of it, it says Block New Requests Asking to Access Your Camera. If this box is checked, it will block any website requests asking to use your camera. If it is unchecked, you're allowing websites to ask for access to your camera. If there's any websites listed in this box here, I don't have any listed in here, but if there is any, there'll be a drop-down box that it'll ask you to allow or to deny camera access for that particular website. Down here towards the bottom, there's a Remove Website button. You can remove any websites from in here by clicking on either Remove Website or Remove All Websites. And then other than that, it would have to rely on this setting right here, Block New Requests Asking to Access Your Camera. Then you'd go down to the bottom and you click on Save Changes. That is how to enable or disable camera access in the LibreWolf web browser. Thanks for watching.